Good morning, Sela Wolves. Welcome to Wolf TV, a production of Sela Broadcasting Network.
Buenos días, Cielo Familia, y bienvenidos a Noticiero Wolf TV.
I am Avonlea.
Y yo soy Isaías.
Happy Tuesday, October 1st.
Feliz martes 1 de octubre.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Now for the weather forecast. Good morning, Stella Wolves. It's currently 67 degrees and partly cloudy. This afternoon will be 79 degrees and partly cloudy conditions, expected to continue the rest of the day. As you all know, school was canceled on Friday and Monday due to Tropical Storm Helen. Our area in Sela was not greatly affected, but western North Carolina was badly damaged, and many people lost their homes. Our hearts go out to everyone in western North Carolina. Now back to our hosties.
Thanks for the weather update.
Now for today's lunch menu.
Good morning, Seal Wolves. Today's lunch menu is rotini with Italian meat sauce, breadstick, steamed broccoli, sweet potato waffle fries, and a variety of fruits. Tomorrow's breakfast choice is strawberry boli pastry. Now back to our hosties.
This month is Hispanic Heritage Month.
Teachers, how are you celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month in your classroom? Please email your videos to Miss Rosa.
Today we have a video from Senora Andrade's kindergarten class singing a song by the Chilean poet Gabriela Mistral. Our flag parade was featured on the CMS YouTube channel.
Thanks to Jade Grant in 7th grade and Alexandra Diaz in 5th grade who were introduced for the segment.
I really liked it because I think it kind of gave the chance for the school to just like see everybody and all the cultures we have and like all the diversity and all the students from every grade from kindergarten to 7th grade representing their country.
I think it's really cool because like you get to see where everyone's like from or representing. It's important because like you can like rub off of them. Like you maybe like try the tradition for yourself.
I think it's nice that you can take away something from all their cultures because every country and every continent and everything like that, it's all different. So I think it's really nice kind of being able to just see where everybody's from and you can learn a little bit from them. The school really focuses on having so many different countries. Like for example, right when you walk in, there's a bunch of like different flags that represent all the different countries that the students are from.
We would like to congratulate Dottie Finnegan in 5th grade for winning first place in the festival in the park art show.
The competition was against from across students from across chartered. Congratulations, Dottie.
Is it your birthday this week?
We'd like to celebrate you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Today's positive affirmation is
I can control my own happiness.
today is a B-Day and day 2 rotation.
I am Avonlea.
Y yo soy Isaías.
Have a great day, Sila Wolves.
Hasta luego.